Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to do our best to tackle any random stuff that comes at us in this game. I'm not going to edit it, of course. Let's go ahead and get started. And one of the first things I like to do is play the column cards and then go to the draw pile. We'll talk about the draw pile in a minute. Okay, we can move this here. This king, we're probably not going to move over here. We're going to see what's underneath it, and we may or may not do it. Let's see. Oh, there's a 9, so we can't do anything there. We're just going to leave it for now. We'll make a decision later on whether or not we want to move that. What we're looking for is cards we can play. This queen is a card we can play. Oh boy, that's super tempting. That's got the ace of spades. We're going to hold off on this. We want to see what's behind there, just so we can make a move or two. There's an interesting card. I almost feel like we have to play this king over that king. I may regret it. We can play this. 2 of clubs. We're going to come down. We're going to get these 2 columns open here with this 3 of spades and 2 of spades in just a minute. But yeah, we'll go through there. Okay, there's that. 3 of clubs. And that's the first card, right? Oh, that is awesome. We got this as our insurance card now, so that's pretty cool. We are going to play this next time around. I just want to see what other moves we might be able to procure here. 4 spades we can bring down, and we'll put that up top later. Can't bring this down. Can't bring this down. We want to, but it can't. Because we want to... The spade is going to go up top with the ace of spades when we play it. So I think that's about it going through there. So let's look through one more time here. Yeah. We could alternatively, we could bring this, you know what, we're going to bring this 3 hearts down. We will only, because we can play this anyway. We're going to play this, we want to leave this lane open for the 3 of spades. We want this queen down. That's the point. That's why I'm bringing down the 3 here. And more importantly, there's a jack and a 10. Well, this 10 can go. If you see this jack right here, we can get that down. We'll play this 10 under it. Although, this looks kind of appealing, bringing this 10 down and bringing this 9. There's a lot of options here. Let's see if we can figure out which one is going to work. So I think, yeah, we're at the stage now, and this is where it gets a little tricky. Yeah. We're going to play the queen. We're not going to play the ace yet. We can play it later. There's a backdoor way to play it, I believe. No, there isn't a backdoor. Well, we might just have to play it all right now. So let's try that approach. Play the 3, play the queen, play the ace, play the 2, play the 3. There's an 8 under there. Okay, we can move the 7. And this was the card, it was a 9, right? A black 9. Oh, we can play the 9, 8, 7. We play the 6. I'm not sure if that's the best way to do it. I don't like taking the early cards out of the draw pile, so that may be a maybe something we want to take back. We want to get this red jack out. We need a 5 of clubs, I think, would get us there. We can get this jack. There's the red 10 that we want. Okay. And that doesn't work that route. Okay, let's go back a little bit. That's the only danger of playing that really fast. Let's go back to where the whole sequence was here. So we're going to save the 3 clubs. We're going to play the queen. We really want that red jack, I believe. Oh, the red jack's the second card, right? Okay. Play the ace of spades, 2 of spades, 3 of spades. Play the 8. We'll play the 7. I think we can bring that king down. Maybe not. We can get to that 8 of diamonds later. Let's just see how this all... there's the jack we can bring. And let's try a different sequence here. So we have this as insurance. That's... gives us an extra move. There's the jack. There's the 10. Now we move this 10. Oh, and we have, oh, that's great. This is great because there's another black 10 in here and we can move this 9 underneath that. So that's pretty sweet. There it is, the black 10. Now we can move the 9 under it. Okay, we can move the 8 here. And that may be where we get bottlenecked. I think we had to play this 10. Did we have to play this 10 out of the front is the question. Because if we didn't have to, I think we take it back. And we play this 10 of diamonds instead. We didn't know the 10 was there, but now that we do, that may be the stronger move. But this had the, what, the 9 under it, right? So that was a conundrum there. I think, yeah, I think we're going to go back here. So we play just the jack. We don't play the 10. You don't play this 10 down. We're going to play this 10 here. We'll play this jack. We play this 10 here. Now we play this 9. Now we can play this 8. Here's the 10 of diamonds. We're going to try to uncover that column by playing the 10 here. That's a 3. That doesn't help us a ton. We have some more moves. We're going to try them. 7, 6, and 5. Okay. And then this was the 9 right here. We move that. We can move the 5 there. Or one of the two. Okay, maybe that doesn't work, but we'll see. If we can move this 8 and 7 down, then we can move one of these 6s under the 7. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. I can't remember the exact order. Oh, we have this 3 as insurance, so we can do that. We can do that, yes, I believe. Okay. We're going to move this 8 of diamonds down next. That's the plan. And then... Or actually, we can move either 8. We want to get the 7 down. So we're going to have to actually... Oh, no, that'll work. The 8 of diamonds will work. So the 3 of clubs is going here. That's it. And then we're going back again. Here's the 8. And we can also play this 7, I believe. Oh, so we can move both 6s here. But we got to be careful. Oh, no, we can do it both ways. Okay. Sweet. This is sweet. We can move this 4 of clubs. That's okay. We could move it to here, I think, because then we can move that 3 of diamonds. Yeah, the more the better. We're going to be able to move both these 6s over. There's an 8 right there. We're going to play that. We can also play this 4 diamonds. I think we can play this 10. We may have played a little too fast here. Oh, no, we played too fast. We're going to pull those 2 cards back. That was a mistake. We want this... Or no, what? It's not a mistake. It can be a mistake because this 7 would be bottlenecked, but we can move this king down, so it's not a mistake. We can move this 3 over. We can move this 2 here. So now we've got both 6s. We can move those slots open, and we've got this 2 slot open. But the real question is, what is under the 6? If it's something we can play, we'll continue on. If it's not, it's game over. The king, we can play that. What's under the king, though? You know, there's a red queen somewhere. Or sorry, a red queen would be good. Also, a black queen would be good. We need to open up more columns. So let's see what we can do. A 5, we can play that. That's okay. Now again, we're hoping for a red queen or a black queen potentially, so we can open up 2 more columns. Ace is a great card. We can play that. We can also move this 2 up. So ace of hearts up. 2 of hearts up, and there it is. There's a red queen. That's good, because now we can open up this jack column, and we can open up the column with the queen. So here we have it. We have, or we're going to solve it once we get this jack out of the way. What we're just simply going to do is just play as many cards as we can up to the foundation pile. So 4 hearts up. We'll play spades next. We'll play clubs after that, and then we'll go to diamonds. We'll keep rotating. So 5 to 6, and then we'll do hearts. Now we're going to do spades. And eventually we're going to get this jack out of here, one way or other. I may have to show you another trick here. So 6 of hearts up. We'll do 7 of diamonds, 8 of diamonds. Now we can do clubs. And I believe there's a black queen under here, so we should be able to just play all these cards up. See, 7 of hearts, 8 of hearts, 8 of clubs, 9 of clubs. There's the 9 of diamonds, 10 of diamonds. Now we just need to get the jack of diamonds up there. Let's move the 9 of hearts and 10 of hearts up. Here's a club. There's a jack of clubs. There's the spade. And now we can just move this diamond up. And we've solved it. So that's going to wrap this up. I would like to thank you for watching. I'm signing out. And as always, if you want more tips in addition to this, you can check out Solitaire Complete Tip Guide, as well as some other tip videos I have. But this is the most extensive in terms of tips in one video. So I would recommend checking it out if you have not already. Once again, thank you for watching and good luck.